Yo, you ready?
Always ready.
Are you even strapped?
Nah, I'm always strapped, man. Listen, we've been watching this crib for about 2-3 weeks. This shit easy money.
Bro, are you sure you strapped? I'm not going in there empty-handed.
Listen, man, I got one for me, I got one for you. You ready?
Alright, say less.
Hey, hold on. Knock the door and see if anybody there, just in case. Yo, who that?
Excuse me, I need some help.
Hey.
I have your car call. Do you think you can help me out, please?
Hey boy, may I tell you this, go on your knees right now. Which part of the money there?
Which
part of the blood clot money there?
Relax on
that.
that.
You have everything in this one.
Easy no man, no kill me. Do me a beggar, no kill me that. No kill me. Don't kill me. Please.
Which part of the money there? No, you have everything in this one.
Where is everything? You know money.
Where is everything? Where is everything? Yo, go check the room.
Yo, where is it? Where you want?
Where is
what? Who send you? Who send you?
Where is it?
Who send you? Shit, nothing here. This is everything fuck up like. Yo, stop there. Stop talk, man. Not there, brother. I've what? We don't have no worry.
Hey, we not trying to hear all that. We are not trying to hear that. Yo, we didn't come here for nothing. Hey, time up. We gonna find something. We should kill him.
No, man. We need some money right now, man.
Are we holding for ransom?
No, man. That's gonna take too long, man. We can't just run in and kidnap the man and can't run out with some money now, man.
All right, let me think about something. Let me think.
Why leave so much light on? Babe! Babe!
Yo, don't move. Turn around. Yo, which part is there?
What?
Yo,
where
which
what
part is there? Yo, the money, anything.
What is this? No money in the
watch
here.
out,
Move your move.
Go on your knees.
No money in the here. Like, what is
no,
this?
No, man, something not for you.
What my husband, like.
Yo, shut up.
Babe! Babe! No!
No, I will kill you. I will kill you.
Please don't.
And him. Go get him.
Please don't.
I will shoot.
No!
Hey. No.
Babe!
No, don't look at no. He's gonna die.
Please don't.
Where is
Please,
it?
I'm begging you. There's nothing
Where
here.
is it? Where is it?
There's nothing here.
No, get up and tell me where it is.
Where is it? Nothing here.
You heard that, right? You know that's gonna be you. No, get up. All that crying is not gonna bring him back. I'm sorry.
Yo, you know some shoot him.
No.
Well,
Please.
since you didn't have anything. Yo, let's go. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot.
What happened?
Well, we're going to the house, man, and...
I'm not fucking talking to you. Are you a mute? That's the only fucking answer you got from me is a fucking shoulder shrug? Really?
Boss, man, we try our best. We're going to the house, man, and running upon them. But when I back my gun now and tell them, say, I want everything. They never have nothing. Them did a move. So I shoot the youth, and she shoot at the girl.
What did you do? Did you just fucking say you shot them? What?
Yeah, we'd have to kill them, man, because...
Shh. You fucking shot them.
Sorry, boss.
I'm getting shot. Man.